Okay, Mr. Yusuf. Mga maaga sa tanan, children, good morning. Okay, I would like to acknowledge, and I'm very happy to be with our Reverend Jomari Gamboa and the Barangay Captain, Honorable Annabel Bermudo, at sa inyong energetic school administrator, Mrs. Daniela Gamboa Oliveras. Sa pag-abot ko diri, I was affronted o ginwento ni Reverend Gamboa. And then we share the same ideas, especially in giving recognition, due recognition to the children. It's good. This is the first time that I have attended. Now parents are sitting beside with the respected children. Last night, I had prepared a really lengthy message for this very occasion. So, ang aking sa mga kabataan, kabataan pamati, bata, paano ka ginawa? It sounds like a teleseries in the television. Actually, the contention of that phrase or question lies on how your children are being brought up, reared up in the nurture and the admonition of the Lord. I always emphasize to my teachers what is really a child is. A child by nature is very curious. A child by nature is humble.